Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scotland Marketing. Today I want to go over with you guys how to add the home valuation tool to your KW website. So the first thing we want to do is of course log into our KW command platform. From there we want to navigate to our website applet on the left hand side of our menu bar. It's the very last option. Give it a second. Now from here, this site has changed a little bit, but we want to go ahead and hit Manage Website. Now once we click that, we're brought into the Command Website Editor version. For this specific page, we want to go into Expert Mode. Okay, so we're going to click this button in the top right corner that says Expert Mode. And that's going to open a brand new tab. Just going to be your website dashboard or expert mode, whichever one you kind of want to refer to it as. It should look similar to this page here. Now, if you are on a team, if you have access to the Command Market Center website, you're going to want to just make sure that you are on the correct website. So you want to make sure the website you are looking to make changes to edit, is listed right here. If you have access to other Market Center websites, team websites, you should be able to click either the team name, the Market Center name, or your name to select a different website to edit. Okay, so you'll click that in the top corner and select whichever website you are looking to make edits to. Now from here, we're going to take a look at one of these quick start options. We're going to take a look at the template that says home valuation, okay? Now any of these templates here, they're going to be very minimal amount of work that you need to do to publish and add those to your site. So it's really great because KWRI has already done most of the legwork. You, in most cases, just come in and hit publish, okay? So we're going to go ahead and click on the home valuation template. And it's going to open up a new page. So it's going to let us know that we are on a new custom page. And the template is the home valuation, okay? Now, as you can also see to the right, we have a preview of our page that we are creating. As you can see, it already has a lot of the stuff that we're going to need on this page. It does have a page title, however, it's currently not displayed. If you'd like to turn that on, you can turn the page header to page heading. And that should put the home valuation header at the top, as you can see here. So you can add that or remove it, whichever you like. You can also add a photo behind it to have a banner photo. That's kind of personal preference if you'd like that there or not. Moving down though, the home value section, the contents of the page down here, there's not really a ton to edit, okay? This is going to allow a consumer to come in, plug in their address, and get an idea of what their home value is worth, okay? If the system does not have enough information to provide them information on their estimate, it will have that come over to you, and then you can contact them to provide details. Now with this though, you can edit what it says. So it says ready to discover your home value. You can change that if you'd like it to say something else. It also says let's find your home to get started. Again, you can change that verbiage if you'd like to, but you don't have to. Now lastly, this page doesn't have a contact form. You don't have to add one, but in case you'd like to so that they can just reach out to you instead, you can go ahead and hit the add module. From there, if you scroll all the way down until we get to a list of modules right here, you can go ahead and click this one that says form. Now, once you do that, you have the page contents. You still need to select what information is pulling to that. So if we go ahead and click this drop down, we should see a default agent contact title. That will automatically pull the agent contact form with all of your details so that the consumer that's viewing this page can go ahead and plug in their information and send that over to you, okay? So once you have this page how you'd like it, again, if you want to remove that header again, you can, up to you if you'd like it there or not. But once you have this page ready to go, you're just going to simply hit publish, okay? Once you hit publish, it's going to give you a green banner right here that says your page was published. And within about 30 minutes of that, it should appear under your More dropdown as a new page for consumers to view, okay? That is our tip video for today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to us at support@scotlandmarketing.com. Have a wonderful day.